Hi everyone! Pag-usapan natin is all about happiness. Ay, yung happiness po kasi dapat hindi lang sa bagay na dapat masaya tayo. Even dun sa bagay that we encounter problems in our life, still we find peace and happiness. Yun yung napaka-importante na dapat makuha ng bawat isa sa atin. Na kahit anong sitwasyon tayo, kahit unshakable yung situation, kaya natin maging masaya. At napaka-importante po yun. And it is something that we need to choose in our life. Huwag natin piliin na tambayan ang problema. Ang problema, andyan. Gawa ng solusyon, umaksyon ka. Yung mindset natin, dapat nakalagay yes. In life, we overcome problems. At darating yung problema. But the good news is, kaya kong malagpasan yan. And from that moment, that's when you realize that happiness, you can choose despite happiness. Even you encounter a lot of problems and you have that positive outlook in your life. At alam na alam mo, you have aware that you can manage that. And if we have that kind of mindset na kaya natin maging masaya sa kahit anong sitwasyon, the moment that you realize that the problems are part of life and problems are also indications that you have a life. So, talagang parte ng buhay natin yan. Walang sino man ang walang problema. At kapag may problema ka, ibig sabihin buhay ka pa. So, magtaka ka kapag wala ka ng problema at walang dumarating. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka na buhay na. Kasi, buhay, yung problema, part ng buhay yan. We need to be happy. Kahit anong klaseng problema dumating sa'yo, mas piliin mo, choose to be happy. Choose to have a positive mind. Kasi alam natin na when you accept na talagang may darating na problema, but it's just a temporary. It's all up to you how to handle that. So every time na bumabalik yung problema sa'yo, you choose to be happy and pray. Kasi it's surrender everything to God, and you have to thank whether good or bad na dumarating sa buhay natin kasi may purpose yun. Ibig sabihin may dahilan bakit dumating yun. Sometimes it's very hard for us to accept na hindi na nangyayari yung mga bagay sa gusto natin. But when we have problems at you know how to solve them, and that is one of the best source that you can be happiness, that you can be happy, at nagkakaroon ka ng kapanatagan. Kasi the bottom line is darating ang problem pero kaya masolusyon. Again, choose to be happy every time.